What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Obviously we're not going to be fixing the car today. My son comes up to me and says he dropped his PS2 Slim, as you can tell right there, and he says now it won't turn on. Sorry, get that clear right there. So I got the power box right here. We're going to connect it. Yep, the light doesn't even turn on. Usually it's supposed to be a red button there, but anyways, let's disconnect that. Turn her around. We're gonna pop off these 6 tabs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll put some gloves on. Who's ready? We're gonna get our knife. And we're gonna pop off the tabs. That's what it looks like. Just little pushing tabs. Grabbing the pocket screwdriver and remove all 6. Now, move the cover. Grab your pocket flathead. Pop it on the sides. Looks like the little button. There's a little ASMR for you. Looks like it's broken. So now we're going to remove that. This just comes off. And go grab a little pliers. Grab some pliers. So grab the blue tab. Pop up. So we're going to grab the little blue tab. Just wiggle it off. Like that. Set that down. And now let's go get our new one. 5 days later, guys. Package is here. I'll put the part number or the link in the description below. There's a big ass box for this little part. There's the replacement power on switch. See if I can clear that up for you guys. There's our new one. Oh yeah. Bring our little PlayStation over here. We're going to grab our strap. And we're going to just put it inside. There you go. Now let's put it on. So now we can install it. Just put the little strap inside. There you go. And then this just falls into place. These got these little tabs right here. That's it. Just falls into place. Just like that. So now we'll grab the box, place it on top. There you go. Turn it around. And let's start putting all the bolts on. Pushing all the clips. Also, guys, I'd like to know if everything looks okay in this area, check where your power cable goes. There's like 3 soldering points underneath that. So let me show you that real quick. So you grab your pocket screwdriver, remove this bolt. Then you're gonna make sure this is up. You're gonna grab this, pull up, and right underneath it. You see that clears up. Damn it, clear up. Right there. You can have 3 soldering points. That's the common part that breaks. So all you gotta do is just resolder all that. And that's it. Let's put this back on. Just leave it in like that. Put that back on. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright guys, now flip it around. Let's grab our power cable. Let's connect it. And there you go. It's working. Let's power it on. Ooh. Yes. Now my kids are gonna love me more. Let's turn it off. Yes, it works. Let's disconnect that. And there you go, guys. Nice and new. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.